Okay, doing the valve cover gaskets on a 2015 Buick Encore 1.4 turbo. Am I saying that right? Encore? Yeah, Encore, however you want to say it. This is the valve cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 8mm bolts around it. So this hose that runs from that part of the intake over to the turbo area where that blue rag is at, it's just a hard plastic hose and it just snapped. Well, we just moved it. All we did was move it and it snapped. So we're gonna fix this, replace this, whatever the case is. But other than that, all that you have to remove is that hose, engine hose, clip it, and the coil packs right there. Take those out, engine cover, intake tube. That's the old gasket right there on the ground. This is the new gasket we're gonna go back in with. Go back together with this. Right. So everything was cleaned up. We did put gasket silicone there in the corner where the timer meets the block. Timer cutter meets the block right there, and on that side. So once you have everything on, this is the pattern you're gonna want to follow. And 71 inch-pounds. That's a torque pattern. On, it's running. Make sure you check the leaks. So what we did is repair this hose. We just inserted some rubber hose in between it, right there, tight. Between that part where it broke and the bottom part where it broke. There's no leaks, the vacuum leak, the air coming out is airtight.